With increasing need for conservation of energy and natural resources, today's automobile market is changing faster than ever before. The shift to smaller, lighter, more efficient automobiles will continue to accelerate as we move from the 70s to the 1980s and beyond. But should the American buyer sacrifice efficiency for roominess, comfort, style, luxury, and high quality they have come to expect? That's why American Motors designers and engineers created the 1978 AMC Pacer Wagon, a truly unique, versatile, premium quality automobile that offers outstanding value for the money in a size that's just right for today and tomorrow. The Pacer Wagon is so outstanding because of its versatility and utility combined with style and comfort for long trips, outings, or nights on the town. Compact on the outside, big on the inside, with room for 4 adults. A spacious 50 cubic foot cargo area with a rear seat folded down, rack and pinion steering, and a standard front sway bar for sports car style handling and maneuverability. Fully isolated suspension front and rear for that big car ride. The Pacer Wagon comes with a standard 232 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine. Luxurious individual reclining seats in sumptuous soft feel vinyl. Flip open rear quarter windows. Custom steering wheel. Door trim. And tasteful wood grain accented instrument panel. A high level ventilation system. Big day-night mirror. Electric clock. Extra wide door on the passenger side for easy entry and exit. A big wide hatch and back, assisted by pneumatic supported struts for easy opening that opens down to the bumper level load floor for strain-free loading and unloading. A wide, flat, fully carpeted cargo floor with protective skid strips. A specially designed lockable hidden storage compartment. Body side rub strips and bumper nerf strips, front and rear, for extra protection. Bright moldings for beauty and protection. DL identification, stylish color-keyed wheel covers, road-gripping D78 by 14 white wall tires, extra quiet insulation package, and much more. It might sound surprising, but these features are standard equipment on the 1978 AMC Pacer Wagon. But if it's options you want, it's options you'll get. Options normally found in much larger and more expensive cars. Tilt steering wheel that you can adjust to where it's most comfortable and flip up and out of the way for getting in and out. Intermittent windshield wipers for misty rains. A rear window wiper and washer for unobstructed rear visibility in all weather conditions. Even optional door vent windows for improved interior ventilation. Plus, items such as air conditioning and tinted glass all around, which reflects over 45% of the heat, yet allows over 75% of the exterior light to enter the passenger cabin area. Automatic transmission, power steering, power-assisted front disc and rear drum brakes, and AM/FM stereo radio with or without a tape player or 40-channel CB to enhance your driving pleasure. You can also order a handy console with a locking storage compartment, a good-looking and very functional roof luggage rack for extra cargo carrying ability, a 258 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine, or, for the first time, a responsive and strong performing 304 cubic inch V8, and cruise command speed control for convenience on the highway. A 4-speed manual transmission with floor shift is also available. Road gripping steel belted radial tires, and heavy-duty suspension for even better handling and roadability. And the 1978 Pacer Wagon continues to be the design and engineering innovator in its class. It has an overall length of 177 inches on a maneuverable 100-inch wheelbase for some of the most space-efficient dimensions in its class. It's wider than Fairmont and Volare for more roominess. Pacer's wide stance also helps give it impressive stability, handling, and cornering characteristics. And Pacer's turning diameter is a tight 37 feet curb to curb, almost 4 feet less than Volare's 40.7 feet. Pacer's standard 232 cubic inch six-cylinder engine is also larger than Volari's 225-6 or Fairmont's standard four-cylinder engine. Pacer Wagon for 1978. It's roomy, quiet riding, and suited for America's driving conditions. Yet it's compact in design, with handling, maneuverability, and standard features that make it fun to drive too. Pacer's unique good looks put it in a class by itself, and its appearance is further enhanced by the addition of an all-new hood and bold grille design. It's a truly innovative and versatile small car from American Motors, America's small car expert, featuring solid, big car room and comfort, spacious, accessible, usable cargo and passenger room. And it's protected by American Motors' unique buyer protection plan, one of the most comprehensive in the business. American Motors Corporation guarantees you that except for tires, it will pay for the repair or replacement of any part it supplies that is defective in material or workmanship for 12 months or 12,000 miles from the date the car is purchased, whichever comes first. All we require is that guaranteed repairs or replacements be made by an American Motors dealer. This plan also provides for a free loaner car from our dealers if guaranteed repairs take overnight. There is also special trip interruption protection. The 1978 AMC Pacer Wagon. It's a contemporary, fun-to-drive small car with the utility of a station wagon and the youthful looks Americans want in a size America needs.